Hello, this is Kinosis. In this video I included the process of making a straight cutting board for a table saw. I've collected a lot of materials on the metal saw station shelf. Among them I use a 950mm long clamp rod made of aluminum that can be used by inserting a hole clamp. I selected the appropriate clamp from the clamp storage hanger I made on the drill press. It's a product that can be used by fitting in a 20mm hole, and it is very strong. This metal rod with a hole is made to dig out and embed wood, but it's 30mm thick, so if I embed it in a thicker wood, the height becomes too high. My table saw holds up to 80mm of blade height. So I'm going to make a cutting board by attaching sides without a floor plate. Two 12mm plates were attached to make it 24mm. It's quite useful to combine thin sheets to make thick sheets. We can make it as thick as we want.
나무 자르기 싫어서 얇은 나무 2개 붙여서 활용합니다.
There are 4, 5, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24 and 30mm of birch plywood. Not only can we make the desired thickness if we combine well, but we don't see any of the joints that we put together because of the grain on the side. A few moments later, the plate was cut to a length of 950mm according to the length of the rod. And cut to a width of 28mm. I clean the dust behind the table saw with the dust collection tube under the sanding base. The aluminum rod is dark in color, so I applied linseed oil on the top of the wood. The color is dark, so it looks good on it. While looking for 3M double-sided tape, I looked at the tapes in the drawer and found that there are quite a few types. I think DIY is about how many materials, parts, and subsidiary materials we have. The more products we have, the more diverse we can create. Masking tape was attached to the bottom of the aluminum rod twice. The rod goes up above the wood and keeps it from touching the floor. Attach 3M double-sided tape to the aluminum rod. This tape sticks much stronger than I think. As time goes by, it becomes more solid. About this much extent, the tape is strongly attached. It's a very suitable material for attaching aluminum and wood. I cut and painted the wood for both ends. Now tear off the masking tape attached to the aluminum. The height increases that much, so the aluminum rod does not touch the bottom of the table saw. Attach both side woods with bonds and nailers and secure them with pipe clamps. A few moments later, it's done. I used a red aluminum rod because I thought it would be weak if I dug a groove in the wood and used a clamp. It is a table saw cutting board that can flatly cut one side of a lumpy wood on both sides. It's as beautiful as I thought. The whole clamp could fix the wood firmly. I like works that combine wood with metal materials such as aluminum. It's good to see materials with completely different properties combined to create a new form. Some carpenters don't like that fusion style, and if you look closely at the hand planers and chisels in their hands, you can see that it's a combination of wood and metal. Change is not far away from us. Let's try it together. Thank you.